you plan to replace your front end, searching for each part can be time-consuming and actually a little bit more expensive. Fortunately, we've got the perfect grill kit that comes with everything you need for your Chevelle or El Camino. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 and 69 Chevelle and El Camino grill kits. The kits are offered for SS and standard vehicles. You can choose from a standard or deluxe style kit. Our standard kit includes one center grill, 2 eyebrow moldings, 2 grill extensions, and 2 grill extension moldings. If you upgrade to a deluxe kit, it will include everything in the standard kit plus 4 headlight bezels. Everything you need at a discounted price. Our 1968 grill and headlight bezels are manufactured from stamped aluminum. In 1969, GM switched manufacturing the grill from aluminum to injection molded plastic. The moldings for both years are made from a roll forming aluminum process, all using case hardened steel tooling. This ensures an accurate part every time. All aluminum parts are finished with bright dip anodizing for protection against corrosion. In addition, we take extra care in detailing our bezels with the factory correct satin black paint where applicable. You can also optionally add the center molding for 1969 kits. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.